Concrete.
3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Certified Concrete Chronicles, where we are tearing out a driveway today. What we got going on, Cameron? Yeah. Only 9 feet wide, so we're gonna extend her out a foot on each side and make her 11 feet wide. I got my string lines here. Gotta cut this grass out and make her a little wider when the time comes, but we're tearing this concrete out. We got the whole gang. Ain't that right, Jason? You here to take pictures? Okay, you camera ready?
You said it. Is Cameron doing a good job?
Tell her no. Tell him we're not done. Tell her we're not done yet.
We got concrete already here. It's supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. It is 6:40 something, but that is okay. I'd rather be a little bit early. What's going on, Cameron?
Concrete. Making everything look a little better.
Avísale a estos güeyes, güey. En una hora les aviso, si quieren agarrar jale, ya si el güey del Mike me dijo, pues como quieran, pero me avisan. Dale, ahorita va.
On my trailer, we can dump the shit in the trailer and then wash the wheelbarrow out with my hose. So we can keep it away from this guy's house.
O si vas a meter, toma, mete el orillero.
I'm gonna get, and I think I'm gonna get, I have another edger like this. You know what I mean? I think. What do you think?
I think that's better. The skinny one is better.
It'll get more.
It looks better than the big one. Yeah.
Okay. The wide one, I just like using the wide one at first. So when the concrete's wet, to make sure that the edge is nice and level and not nice and wide. That's it's not low. So now we can fucking run through it. At the end, I can run through it with this little one and shine them out real quick. As long as the edge is in there, we're good. We don't even have to hit them again. We'll fucking broom that bitch. And after we broom it, then we'll hit them.
Alright,
Right there. I'll come down there with the whip. The whip and nay-nay.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Ya cabello mí, pues.
Nice, bro. This is fucking beautiful. I'm gonna start brooming in a minute.
Okay.
You know, run the edges through, hit the frame, boom.
Well, there you go. Your broom's ready. Your broom is ready, boy.
And let's take the come along and kind of rake these leaves if you can a little back, so that way they don't blow it. If any wind blows, it doesn't hit the glass.
Because I'm just gonna have to come pick them up by hand because come along. Hello. Hey. No, they got full copper too. I looked in a couple of them before.
You're gonna make me smack
I
that
looked in
thing.
a couple of them before.
You're gonna make me give her a spanking. Cameron,
Awesome.
tell him how I'm gonna give him the spanking if he flaunts it like that. Tell him. He knows. Cameron knows. I'm just joking.
Right on the front of the fair. Alrighty. Alright. Old father begging me for help.
What's he hollering about?
He wants me to come over there and help him fix my old lady's sister's car. Uh-oh, here comes mommy.
We're not gonna get a dog out here in just a minute or two.
Yeah, it's too late for that now. Fuck that. I'll tell him he missed. He missed it.
Bite? Give me knuckles?
What's up, baby?
Concrete?
Hey, Kason. That's Oscar.
I told him.
Remember I was telling you about Oscar? That's Mr. Oscar.
He's like, yeah, I don't know what you're saying there, bud.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, he taught.
Play with my toys.
Yeah, he taught a lot to your daddy.
Yeah. What's his name? Just
Oh, Kason.
Daddy learned a lot from Oscar.
Jason. How are you? You good?
Don't go on the concrete.
You good? There you go.
Oscar has a mask on because he's cold.
Yeah, I'm not superhero. I'm like you.
Good.
Look. Right? Look at that. How old is he?
He's 2.
Oh, okay.
Only 2? Baby. Baby.
What do you want to do?
Chill for a minute. Oh, nice. You already got my room moist.
Oh, where? Over there? It's one of their neighbors.
You better say never mind.
One of Grant's neighbors. This is Grant's house. So these are Grant's neighbors. They got a dog. Not on the new concrete. It's still dry. We gotta stay on the sidewalk.
I'm gonna do a push and pull and just see what it looks like. If it's a little too wet, I'll wipe it out.
Real quick. See what it looks like.
The picture frame is a little wet anyway, so it's a driveway. It doesn't need to be. Take one pull. Maybe rough coat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, wipe it on.
Perfect.
Let's see, because it'll leave a little mark, and that's good. You want it to leave a mark.
Don't go in the new concrete. It's still drying. You can look at it though. Still drying. See, they're still working on it. Did they do a good job? What'd you say?
Mask.
Oh yeah, he has a mask on. It's cold out.
Take it off.
You want him to take it off? What do you think of the job?
Mom, Dad. A boat.
Bambi, don't you dare.
Mom, Dad.
It's a broom.
Hey, don't let him do that though, because he'll sweep it into the concrete, and everything's trout right now.
You gonna get the little baby?
They're gonna be like, oh, Oscar, yes, come back.
Years? Years?
No.
I did the baby. I did the baby. I did the baby.
I did a puppy dog. I did a puppy dog. I did a puppy dog. Oh, they did a puppy dog. Oh, they did a puppy dog. Oh, they did a puppy dog.
Bambi's holding, Cameron's holding Bambi.
Oh, they did a puppy dog. Oh, they did a puppy dog.
Let me see that.
Oh, you want to show your toes? There we go. What do you think, Casey? Oscar doing good?
The apple.
Yep, big Oscar.
Huh. Huh, apple.
Tall Oscar. Maybe taller than his dad. Do you think he's be taller than your dad?
Running through batteries quick.
Oh yeah. These batteries don't last very long.
No, they don't.
Jason?
Okay. Is it okay you can move the camera?
Come on, come on. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. I want you to push it. That's what I want you to do. It makes for a better video. Gets it up to close to the camera, bro.
You're a photographer on the side, or videographer.
My buddy that I live with, he does all this professionally.
He does? He's a videographer?
He goes and takes pictures of cars and videos of car meets and stuff like that. So he does phenomenal work.
Yeah.
He can edit this whole video and make it look like $1 million.
How much would he charge for that?
I have no idea. I think he charges like, when he goes to car meets and stuff and people call him to come to car meets, he charges like $100 an hour. A dude,
Maybe a lot of hours.
a guy flew him out from Palm Beach, PBI, flew him out from PBI to the Bahamas.
Nice.
No, my bad, not the Bahamas. To the Cayman Islands.
Oh, okay.
To the Cayman Islands. Took him on his yacht. $1.5 million yacht.
Creo que tú tienes que estar parado. O no estás bien.
I got tongue. Oh, you getting the
Oh my goodness. You're the sweetest. You're the sweetest. But my buddy flew out there. I paid him with a check and everything. Because I paid him with a check. And then took 150 off of his wrist and said, here, that's your tip. 160 grand.
Yeah, that's a great.
Hey, and instead of my buddy, he's struggling for money. My buddy Silas. Instead of him sitting around and going to buy a house or selling that rocket,
You want to give it a good 3 days to a week. So that's why 3 days minimum. A week is, preferred. Cameron, can you hand me a pole when you get a chance?
Mm-hmm. I got it. Or she got one. Mm-hmm. Just a little bit.
Cool.
Oh. Hey Cody, you know what we never did?
Huh?
You know what we never did?
Huh?
Check that hose you cut off.
Yeah,
right
we
there.
did.
You did?
Yeah, don't scare me, dude.
No, I didn't see. I wasn't
Hey,
here
yes,
when you
I
checked
did.
it. I didn't see
I
it.
did
You
that.
did?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I made sure of it. You
Okay.
know what I mean?
I didn't. I wasn't here when you made sure.
You can say, hey, did you check it? I was like, oh yeah. You scared me. You know what we didn't do? I did. Cam on? Can you give me a flame on? Give me a trowel.
had somebody come in.
A little square one, a little burner.
But I had somebody come in and they painted the concrete block, sealed it up, and spick and span. I had a new washer and dryer delivered. Recovered and delivered stock. I think it'd be nice if that was inside. But at least.
Yeah, oh yeah. Ours is our patio is completely screwed in. Like a carport, like doors, and at some point somebody screwed it in, and our laundry is kind of like off, like yours because it doesn't have a door, it's just like open. But it's just so great because we're always on the patio.
Yeah.
Right out there.
I know, I was talking with Cody about just right behind the fence there.
Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about.
But
I
it
don't
won't
wanna
work
even
because
deal
of
with it.
because the road's not straight. It's at a curve.
Yeah, I don't even want to deal with that squiggliness.
Yeah. No, I feel you. I feel exactly what you're saying. As soon as you started saying that, I was like, yeah, the road's not straight. If it was the next driveway up.
Oh, here comes my monster. The one that went wrong Oliver, the one that's doing all this, he's really mouth on it. But Hank, there's water butter.
Oh, that's so cute. That's his dog.
And they don't get along.
They don't want to
Two
be
brothers.
Oh my god.
The other night we had a horrible fight.
Oh, no.
It's like vicious.
Oh wow.
And,
Like it's
No, like you could pull the boat up too. Listen, my old boss at South Road Grading, 4 months, he would leave the job at whatever time, be out his house by 11 o'clock, and hit the button on his wrist, and drop his boat in the water and go get lunch on his 42-foot trailer.
But that's a lot of work.
You get the thing?
Hopping on the boat, pulling up at the side.
You don't care. Listen, when you got $5 million in the bank, you can do whatever you want. He owns the company, he has to. And if you don't, then everything goes to shit.
No. No, I think I'm good. Yeah, we're almost done, man. I'm gonna slick out this edge real quick. And we're out of here. Yeah, we start wrapping up all the tools, cleaning up all the tools, and get everything freaking in the wheelbarrow back.
We got both wheelbarrows here to
Back
put
towards the
all the
house.
tools in.
Yeah.
We got both wheelbarrows here to put all the tools in and
Nice.
put the
Thank you,
lumber on
bro.
one.
Yeah, let me get a little bit of water in the water bottle.
Groover does for the old school.
Okay, that's
But
a groover.
you know, the new people say, oh, pass me the joint.
The joiner. Pass me the joiner. Used to call those tongue and grooves. Cause it's got a tongue on it that comes out and it makes a groove. I don't got a water bottle, baby, but here. Here, I don't got a water bottle, but it's just to dip your fingers in it and sprinkle some dippies.
It's not gonna work.
She's all tough at the window part.
That's so funny. You got the groover?
Grass, little pieces of grass that are in the edge.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny that the brothers have such a hard relationship.
Well, it's
Is it a dominant alpha dog thing?
I think what it is
Jack Russells or terriers? 6? Maybe the oldest. But that's what you're not getting out. Oh, cool. Careful, okay? Just stay in the grass if you're gonna do it. Just because the grass is hot.
Keep your guys' tools with your guys' tools so you can take none of yours and you can put them back in your truck. That's yours too. We'll just make yours that little button and put them all on top so you can stop by your truck and unload it. There's yours too?
No, that's
Cody's.
Oh, was it like that where dogs are out of here? Oh, only 2. When I brought Bambi home, I was at the place that had no dogs allowed. But she's literally the size of my house. So I'm in the like left like not too long after.
I've interacted with both of them.
Oh man, there's so much dirt on here. Fuck.
That's so sad. So was it like eating up at you and you went back and got it?
No.
Oh, okay.
put my initials in it yet?
Thanks. You got it back.
Man, I heard them guys out here early this
1,
morning.
2, 3.
7 o'clock stop. They were dropping the concrete.
So he went
They
from
come out great, man.
South Carolina to
You guys do
Idaho.
this all the
That's
time.
how fast South Carolina.
Huh?
And that's a far trek.
Yeah, yeah, I don't blame you, man.
What's going on, man?
Not a whole lot. Well, we had Deck and Drive over for an estimate. I don't have to say any more.
What happened?
Nice.
Deck and Drive came and gave us an estimate.
Oh, honey.
What?
There's Bob.
Oh, hi, Bob.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I can walk this way, right?
Yeah, on the sidewalk.
Yeah. Don't you dare put your feet on my driveway. You're gonna be happy with this, yeah, man.
Picture frame edges, bro.
Yeah.
It really seals the
Going all
deal.
out. Once it's sealed and everything,
Makes it
all
look
rust and everything.
Hey, I see a piece of dirt in
Well, Mother Nature and the wind hasn't been too kind today, so.
Next week you won't see it.
there. Yeah, I know. Well, we're gonna come over here and grind it with your lawnmower. Yeah, good job.
I'm gonna go back through. We gotta go back through everything and do a little touch up with my trowel in some areas that aren't shining.
Yeah, looks good.
For the most part, this is her.
There's your little boy, huh?
Yeah.
I saw you guys on Facebook.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I hear you.
You need guys tomorrow? No?
We're going to keep them off the concrete.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, not tomorrow. No, I'm gonna be tomorrow. I don't know, man. Let me actually give me like 2 hours, because after this I'm gonna go home and look at my. I think I could start something tomorrow. I might be able to do a little job tomorrow, but I'm not. I won't know for a couple hours. But if so, I'll let you know. And if so, I'll need 2, 3 guys. You and your son probably just as Cameron right in the areas that aren't shining. You see, like right in here. Swipe that out and make her nice and clean like that. But you don't want to really leave a line. You want to do it as nice as possible, as light as possible. But anywhere that's not shining in our intersections, like here in the intersections, right? And if you can see the line, like you see how you can see the line. And then you want to try to kind of blend that out. And you see that room mark right in here? Let's try to get that out. Try to slick it out like that the best you can. It's not going to look beautiful, but see how it looks better, it makes it blend in better.
Oh, is it filming it? Oh, I see it.
I move that thing 45 times a day, 50 times a day.
I have a lot of footage on this one.
Here, bro.
Yeah, hold on.
Casey, stay off.
I'm just trying to.
So these two are done.
So I'm waiting on you to get to
We're
this
going on
one.
that side, hit that side too. Hit that side, not that side. And then by the time you're done with that, I'll be done with this. You can come right on over here.
Not concrete paved, doubling
I just did your bid last night. I'll send it over to you today.
Appreciate it. But on the west side of the house, they were dug up.
We ain't gotta do saw cuts now.
You don't have to have it, right?
No. Because the grooves. Make sure Casey don't step in no concrete, honey.
I just read it.
Hey, forgot this one.
So what's it called again? A window frame?
Yeah.
Picture frame.
Picture frame.
Yeah, picture.
I've never seen a driveway done like this.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
We did it a lot in Washington. That's what you were saying, right?
Yeah, yeah. They even require it in the city. It's code. Picture frame edges, and the whole entire city is like this. All the aprons, all. Yeah. Seattle, Washington.
Seattle? You guys from Seattle?
No. I just did a lot of work all around
Oh,
it.
I got you. Wonderful.
You'll see these if you go to the library. You'll see picture frame edges. They got them at the library.
Oh, I'll be darned. Well,
And you'll notice
that's
it.
our tax money.
Now you'll notice it because since you've seen it, you just walking around.
Yeah. Now that I've seen it, I'll go, oh, I know what that is.
When I went there for early voting, I didn't notice it.
We also worked in a lab.
It's just decorative. It takes, instead of just brooming it and being done, you gotta broom it and go around all the edges again.
Do any work in
and
the
decor
acreage?
and slick them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do
I have
everything.
a
Don't touch the concrete, okay?
That's gonna go.
That's all she needs. I already told her I did that.
Huckle. Okay. Hold on, let me wipe your nose.
Yeah.
I didn't do it a lot.
Oh, today your nose is running.
Recorded.
Yeah, it's recording.
What?
Now you're recording again. Say hi.
Hi.
Certified Concrete Chronicles.
Concrete.
Saying
Where's all the guys at? Oh, honey, can you go?
You want me to pay him?
Can you? Yeah, honey.
Count it out for me.
Honey, can you go give those guys? Can you go give Oscar?
Come on, Caitlin. You want to leave the camera here?
Go, Oscar, you're good. When you ready, meet me on back at the.
Oh, we're ready to get on going.
Bye, buddy. Thanks for visiting with me, okay?
Make sure they're squared.
Alrighty.
Don't forget your bike.
They're all square.
Bye.
Bye.
Kason, yeah. Bye, Kason. Come see me again, okay? And you sure can. And if it's okay with your mom, you can come see my cat, okay?
Oh, for sure. It's definitely okay.
Mom, Dad.
This one's an edger.
Can you do it?
Okay, well, you want me to show you how you would use an edger? Okay, so you'd use an edger kind of like this. You see, like that? You want to give that a try?
Oh yeah, it'll blow right off. All the grass, little shit like this will peel right off the table.
And you won't notice it. Where's my edger?
Your edger's right here. Your son was doing some edging.
Pedestrian stepped into my concrete.
What? No, it's okay. It's okay. No. You don't have
Some
to
lunch
pay.
or something for today.
No, we're here to help you.
Job is finished, ready to strip.
Cool. More. Fly. Fly.
What?
Fly. Fly guy.
What does that mean?
Fly guy.
Birds fly in the sky, silly daddy.
Kingdom.
You want to go over or under?
Under.
Nice. Here, come with me. Let's check on daddy.
Come with me.
Over here, get the stakes out, take the nails out of the wood. Get the roll over. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to strip the forms here and water it down and start the curing process. Until next time guys.